Boys off the mark, he's away. That's a beautiful straight drive from Tendulkar.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Straight Drive. I am Darpan and RK sir is with me. So today was a match between RCB versus Delhi Capital. Today was a match between aggressive captain Virat Kohli versus cool-minded captain Shreyas Iyer, who is my favorite. And today was a match between informed batsman Devdutt Padikkal versus informed batsman Prithvi Shaw.
And today there was a match between number 2 and number 3. Whoever wins will have to reach on top, and
Yeah.
that's what happened.
Yeah,
Delhi
definitely.
reached to top, and for God's sake, Bangalore is there where he was.
Yeah. Let's come to the Prithvi Shaw directly. Because of Prithvi Shaw, Delhi Capitals got good start today,
Yes.
and he was really good in good touch today.
Yes, absolutely. Prithvi Shaw's very nice time is really running now.
Right.
After getting tips and guidance from Ponting, he looks totally different. Now his bat goes to mid wicket, so he can get singles and doubles.
Right.
And there was a problem with outside the off stump. His bat was going towards cover, so he was getting out at sleep, gully, cover, extra cover, or in the hand of wicketkeeper.
Yeah.
But Ponting made out a good suggestion, and because of Ponting, they are so fortunate that they have coach like Ponting. He is improved and groomed by Ponting. This is not only Prithvi Shaw, but you can see the difference in the batting technique of Rishabh Pant and Stoinis as well.
Yes. But if we come to Shikhar Dhawan, I think he can't generate a power after 6 or 7 overs, because every time he got catch out into the deep or into the circle.
Yes, you see, initially he doesn't try to pull the ball. When fielding spreads, he goes for left-handed shots,
Yeah.
but he is mistiming the shots, and there is a problem because he is not at the peak of his form.
Yeah.
So many times we have seen, we will see a clever coach Ponting will soon find out
Yeah.
his solution.
I hope so. If you talk about Marcus Stoinis, what a transformation he has made in his batting.
Yes, total credit goes to Ponting,
Right.
because he has said that every batsman or a player has to play according to his ability with freedom and with fearlessness.
Right.
Okay, that's what you can see this Stoinis. Once upon a time he was in Bangalore,
Right.
but Bangalore could not handle him properly. And now you see that Stoinis, who has been removed once from Bangalore, now proved very dangerous for any team.
Right. So, because of Prithvi Shaw,
And
Shreyas Iyer, Stoinis in the last,
in the last 5 overs.
and Rishabh Pant is in the middle. Because of their batting unit, Delhi Capitals look so strong in batting.
Yes, that's why he could make 196 runs. Not easy to chase on this big ground.
Yes, definitely. Now let's talk about bowling attack of RCB. They are only dependent upon Chahal. They can't find any other good bowler. Because of that, they gave 196 runs to Delhi Capitals.
Yes, 196 run is a huge mountain for any team to chase.
Right.
This was a very big ground, and Mr. Chahal is a trusted man of Mr. Kohli.
Right.
Whenever Kohli gets wish to have wicket, he goes to
Chahal.
Chahal. But today, Chahal was beaten brutally by Prithvi Shaw, and Mr. Chahal is very much trusted by Mr. Kohli. Whenever Kohli needs wicket, he goes to Mr. Chahal. But today, Chahal couldn't do anything. He cost 29 runs in just 3 overs.
Right.
And if Chahal doesn't get any wicket, their victory comes in the way of trouble.
Let's come to the batting attack of RCB. Finch got 2 chances in earlier. You can say 3 chances in earlier, but because of Ashwin, he was there.
Yes, by the grace of Ashwin,
Right.
he was there. It shows the real color of Indian blood.
Right.
That we don't like to attack from the back.
Yeah.
It is not our policy. It is beyond our policy.
Right.
But whatever happened. Let us talk about
Virat Kohli.
Yes.
Yeah. Virat Kohli made 43 runs today, but not as much as tweak what RCB wanted at that time.
Yes. It already the required run rate was so high. Kohli had to do such kind of shots. He was bound to play.
Now let's come to the bowling attack of Delhi Capitals. Akshar Patel really did good job today.
Yes.
He bowled at good length area.
Yeah.
He bowled flighted delivery. Because of that, he got 2 wickets.
He was looking tremendous today. He spent only 18 runs and got 2 valuable wickets.
Right.
He was included in place of Amit Mishra. And you see, he got award of man of the match.
Right.
So such kind of player is a boon for any team.
Yeah. They have Rabada.
Yes.
They have Nortier.
Yes, they are extremely fast bowlers.
Right.
And Rabada got 4 wickets in
just 22
24 runs that one.
Right.
And in just 22 runs, Nortier took 2 wickets.
Right.
So these 2 bowlers plus Akshar Patel brought the backbone of Bangalore.
Yeah. And Ashwin really looks in good form too.
Yes, and Ashwin, if back in form, it is not only good for Delhi, but it is also good for Indian team also.
Right.
And we should not forget the contribution of Nortia. He took 2 wickets
In just 22
in
runs.
just 22 runs. He was at a great speed, over 150, and with good line and length.
Yeah.
So, after looking this, I feel that Delhi Capitals is already reached in top 4.
Right.
Whatever table shows, it is too early to say, but I am sure that Delhi is in top 4. No doubt about it. The performance, the captaincy, and overall performance, you can see there is no any problem for Delhi Capitals to enter in top 4.
Okay. So before leaving our show, what is a quick review for our fans and our viewers?
Actually, Kohli has made great mistake after winning toss. He had to opt batting. But seeing yesterday's result, he played gamble and that gamble was totally wrong.
Right.
I would like to advise him that after winning toss, it is a simple theory, simple idea to have bat and make total of 190 to 200. So opposition will automatically come into the pressure and he will lose his wickets.
So that's all about post-match analysis of match number 19. If you like our show, then share it, subscribe it, and keep supporting us. Thank you.